So today we will see how to file our PF claims or Form 19 on the EPFO portal. The link for the portal's login page is provided in the description box below. Just click on the link and this is the page where you will land on. So first things first, enter your UAN number, your password and the captcha code and click sign in. Once we sign in, we will be taken to the home page. Here just go to online services and select claim from the drop-down list. Now we have to enter the bank account number, which has been seeded against our UAN. So once we click on the verify button, a pop-up window will pop up on our screen. This is basically a certificate of undertaking, which basically certifies that the bank account number is ours and that we understand that this is where we will be receiving our PF claim amount. So once you click on yes, you will notice that a small green tick mark appears next to the bank account number. Now click on proceed for online claim. And from the drop-down list, select only PF withdrawal, that is Form 19, and press enter. With that, we will actually reach the last stage of the claim process. Now, the first thing we need to do is upload the Form 15G for TDS exemption. In case you need any help with how to fill a Form 15G, the link is given in the description box below. Just click on it and you can see how it's to be done. Now ensure that the Form 15G is in PDF format and the maximum size does not exceed 1 MB. Now once we've uploaded the Form 15G, thereafter fill your address details, select your state and district from the drop-down list, enter the city and the PIN code, and we will now upload a soft copy of either a cancelled check or a bank passbook. Now here you must ensure that your name, your bank account number and the IFSC code is clearly visible. And the format that is supported is either JPG or JPEG, and the minimum size is 100 KB, maximum size 500 KB. Now finally check the checkbox at the bottom of the page and click on Get Aadhaar OTP. Now we will receive an OTP on the mobile number which is registered with our Aadhaar numbers. Now enter the OTP in the box and click on Validate OTP and submit the claim form. Now with that, your claim form would be submitted to the EPFO department for further processing. Please do remember that don't file the PF withdrawal and pension withdrawal claims at the same time. Submit the PF withdrawal claim first. Once that is processed and the money has been credited to your bank account, log in again and then follow the same process to file the pension withdrawal claim. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the nuts and bolts of how do you file the PF withdrawal claim form on the EPFO portal. I hope it was clear. In case you have any doubts, queries, feedback, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you. By the way, for all of you who are watching this video and will be filing your PF claims, I hope you get your money soon. So all the best.